Wow, this has been a busy weekend of editing. Now, for the viewers out there, you may not realize just how much work goes into editing these large videos. Now, I've just published a video, the Mavic Mini Essential Guide, and I don't just publish these videos for views and clicks. I publish them to be genuinely useful, informative, and educational as well. I don't use any scripting or anything. Everything that you see that I'm saying is there straight from here and here, to try and make it feel real as well for the viewer. And I've been editing this video probably all day today. Shooting it probably took about half an hour, which actually is not bad. That's quite quick considering the amount of information. Research, I mean, I do a lot of research before my videos and I bullet point things down. I use Google Keep for that, as it's a really nice way of capturing such information. And then as I'm shooting it and presenting it, I'm working through my bullets to make sure I capture everything in there. But then the editing, that's where the real work starts, because you need to tell a story and you want to make it very logical to the end user. You want to make it flow, you want to make it understandable. And so you're not only editing, but you're watching it back as well to make sure that you're presenting it clearly and concisely. I actually use Adobe Premiere. You can see here, this is the timeline for that video that I've just published. If I zoom that out, you can see the extent of this timeline. Oh, it goes bigger and bigger. I haven't got my mouse with me at the moment. But that's the overall timeline for that video that you might have just seen. All of these elements, you've got video layer, subtitling, logo overlays, audio, sound effects, music. There's a lot there, and you can basically scrub through the video here so that if you want to review it, preview it, etc., you can do. You might be curious about what I'm using as well. I'm using a Dell XPS 15. It's a 9560 model. Happily caters for 4K video with ease, and the quality of it is just lovely. 4K, native 4K touchscreen as well. A lot of people use desktop PCs for creating content. I don't, because I might be editing in a pub. I might take it to a restaurant. I might be in a car or on a train. I can't do that with a desktop, but with a really capable laptop like this, you can. Now the price tag on this laptop's about $3,000, unfortunately. They are expensive, but they're incredible. And they're very low profile, very lightweight as well. But yeah, back to the main point. Editing takes a long time. So, you know, when I see your comments on these videos, the thumbs up, even the thumbs down, I love those because they all influence the algorithm, and a thumbs down, a thumbs up, and a comment is interaction. And that boosts this video up to the top of the search results when people are looking for tutorials on the Mavic Mini. And I genuinely appreciate all of that input. Anyway, the next video you will not want to miss. I can guarantee that, because I'll be flying the Mavic Mini indoors and showing off, hopefully, some impressive operator skills. A lot of people out there producing drone videos can't fly. I've been flying since I was 12, and I like to fly every now and then for pleasure, but it's also a pleasure to fly for this channel. So hopefully I can show off some tips there on flying indoors and how to do so safely. Anyway, thank you for watching this. This was quite a long one, wasn't it, for DroningON Live? But hopefully you find this useful as well. Regardless, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you want to boost this video to the top of the search results. And click subscribe if you want to become a DroningON ambassador. Thanks for watching.